Hello everyone, now let us start exercise number 2.3 of NCERT class 7. So in the first question, we are given with 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. So now we need to multiply because of means multiply. So as I have already told you that multiplying fractions with a fraction means we need to multiply the numerator separately and we need to multiply the denominators separately like this. So our answer will be understood? So this is how we multiply the fractions with another fraction. Let's take another example. Now 1 by 4 is multiplied with 4 by 3 and our answer will be 1 by 3 of course. Taking another example from part 2. So this is the process of multiplication of fraction with a fraction, okay? Now let's go to question number 2 where a fraction is multiplied with a mixed fraction. So we will convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction and we'll get our answer to be 16 by 9 and we will convert this into mixed fraction. So this is the required answer. Let me do some more examples, although I think you have got the process how to multiply a fraction with another fraction. Okay, so this is the process. If you have understood that, then move to the next question. Converting the mixed fraction into an improper fraction, we will get our answer and we will convert this into a mixed fraction. Okay, try all those which I have left in this video. So these are the required answers and I hope you have got the process very well. Now let's move on to the next question, in which we need to check which of the fraction is greater actually, the product of these two or the product of these two. As I've already taught you in our previous classes that to compare two or more fraction, we first need to make the denominators equal. We are getting numerators equal. So let me teach you one more method here. If the numerators are equal, then the fraction which will have a greater denominator will be smaller of course, because see, in this fraction we are dividing 3 with 21 and in this fraction we are dividing 3 with 8. Okay, now you think and tell me, if we divide 3 by 21, will that be a greater number, or if we divide 3 by 8 will that be a greater number? So when the numerators are equal, then the fraction which have larger denominator is actually a smaller one. We could have cancelled this one and make 1 by 7, but that will not serve the purpose, because we will then have to cross multiply this 8 to that side and 7 to that side. That will make it long. Now in this question we are getting equal numerators. So our main aim when we need to compare two of the fraction, then our main aim should be either make the numerators equal or make the denominators equal. In both the way we will get the same answer. Okay, if you have got the concept, please like the video. Now the next part is of course the same question. We need to check which one is greater, which of the product is greater. So first find the product for each case. Now here we get directly same denominators, and same denominators means actually greater the numerator, greater will be the fraction. Okay, now let me give you some homeworks upon this question. So this is your homework. Please comment on the comment section about the answer of this part. Now next one is a word problem in which the question is saying Sally plants 4 saplings in a row. Let's say these are the 4 saplings in a row. Okay, then distance between two adjacent sapling is, so this distance is given as 3 by 4 meter. Okay, so it is asked that what is this distance between the first and the last. That means this sapling is asked. Therefore, as per the question, this distance will be simply 3 by 4 into 3. Okay, so question number 5 will be, since it is a word problem, so you have to write the statements like this, given data. So the distance between first and last sapling will be 9 by 4 meter. Understood? Or we can write it as 2 and a quarter. 1 by 4 means quarter, right? Now Let's move to the next question, in which it is given that Lipika reads 1 3 by 4 hours a day. That is 7 by 4 hours a day. Okay. She read the entire book in 6 days. So it is asked how many hours were required to read the book. Total hours will be obviously 6 into 7 by 4. So 21 by 2, don't forget the unit, hours has been used. That is 10.5 hours. Okay. Now next question number 7 says that in 1 liter a car can run 16 kilometer. Okay. So distance for 2 3 by 4 liters will be 2 3 by 4 into 16. Simple. So that is 44 kilometer it can run. Okay. You have to write the last statement. Okay. 44 kilometer it can run, the car can run, like this in every word problem kind of question. Now question number 8, we need to fill the box such that, simple, 2 will become 10. So what should be multiplied to 2? That is 5. And what should be multiplied with 3 to become 30? That is 10. Therefore 5 by 10 is the answer. And in the second part we need to convert it into simplest form. Therefore 1 by 2 is the answer, because we know that 5 by 10 is nothing but 1 by 2. Similarly we can do the next part. So 3 will be multiplied with what? And 5 should be multiplied with? Okay. And we know that this is the simplest form and there is nothing to be simplified. Okay. So one of my student was asking about the division of this kind of fraction. Okay. So let me just quickly show you that. You can skip if you know this. I think we have done this in class 6 or 5 maybe. So this is how you will divide this. Numerator will be the dividend and the denominator will be always the divisor. Whether it's greater than the numerator or not, the denominator will always be the divisor. Okay. Since 3 is smaller than 8, therefore we will put a 0 point. Okay. We are actually putting a point here, and when we put point we will write it as 0 point. So this point will bring a 0 with 30. Okay. Now what is 30 divided by 8? 8 3s are 24, right? So this is simple. Now what we have got? 6. Now point is already given there, so this point will bring another 0 here. Now 8 7s are 56. Okay, 8 7s are 56. Therefore now this point will bring 0 here, and now we will get our answer. So this is the required answer actually, and this is how we divide it. Okay, this is the required answer. Understood? So this is the ending of our video. See you in the next video. Thank you.